Hello again. It has been a long time, but here I am. I have a sealed box, and I'm about to open it. So here it is, the Google Home Hub. By the time you watch this video, this thing is actually called the Google Nest Hub. At Google I/O this year, they announced that they were changing their smart home experience to reflect their Nest name. So if you go out to the store right now, you can buy one of these for $129. And it'll say Nest Hub on the box, not Home Hub like mine. So while I peel this box open, let me run over a few specs with you. This thing has a 7-inch touchscreen. It has one main sensor on the front, which is not a camera. It is a ambient EQ light sensor, as Google calls it on their website. You also do have a full range speaker built into the back of the device for if you want to watch YouTube or stream some of your Google Music. Also included in the box are a couple little pamphlets that we see here and one wall charger. Now the pamphlets don't really have anything important, just warranty information and a quick start guide. Of course, the star of the show here is the Google Assistant. If you don't know what Google Assistant is by now, I can't help you. So let's assume that you do. All right, we'll file those papers away, look inside the box, there's nothing else in there. And here's the very interesting looking wall charger. It's got a nice little circle on here with the G Google branding. It is a proprietary connector, no micro USB, no Type-C here. Shame on you, Google. Shame on you, anyone who doesn't do Type-C on their new devices. Why? Doesn't matter. Let's take a look at the Home Hub itself. Here it is. Very sleek, very slender. It's a lot smaller in person than you might think, but it's a really nifty device. I have the charcoal gray one here, and then you see the little microphone mute switch on the back. And there's your unboxing of the Google Nest Hub.